silence before the dawn, we feel the veil of distance gone. Hands raised high with hope we call. The most merciful hears it all. Forgive our faults, both seen and known. Cleanse the hearts that have grown stone. Let every tear that falls tonight be a witness of returning right. Fasting bodies, glowing souls, patience shaping higher goals, charity flowing hand to hand, mercy spreading through the land. The Quran recited, calm and slow, seeds of guidance start to grow. Every letter, every sound lifts our hearts from worldly ground.